Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original knot. This is going to be the Awareness Wreath knot for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side, it's at the belt line. We're going to come over, we're going to put in a dimple here, bring it over to the center, come up and over like this. So Boris Mocha did the awareness knot with it looking like a ribbon. We're going to do a wreath technique and do an awareness style here. We're going to just start doing some wreaths right here. Then I'm going to come through here like this, and kind of have an awareness ribbon right there, at least a look of it. Come across like this. Have another wreath going down like this. So here you have it. Put my collar down. Let me get my kind of awareness ribbon right here, and then everything else is a wreath. Oh no, stop, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Catch you in the next video.